Is Dave from the Posted Sales Channel / Helping Network. I'm making this video about Archer Aviation. As you can see right here, this is their aircraft, and this is what their aircraft can do. As you see, that's exactly what the aircraft or drone does. And United has also signed a partnership with them. As you can see here, Archer and United Airline announced the first commercial flight. It's going to be from Newark to New York. I'm not sure where in New York, but it's going to take about 10 minutes from Newark Airport to an undisclosed location in New York. And the reason why I'm also making this video is the simple fact that you can buy into this company at $2.77. It's practically at an all-time low. It's possibly that other companies will partner with them and make this evaluation or add more value to their stock price. But who knows? Hopefully this helped. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.